Now we continue the examples in the exercise 3.2. We will see the sixth example in this exercise. Now the seventh example, integrate the following functions with respect to x. Seventh example, it is e to the power x into log of sin e to the power x upon tan e to the power x. Okay. We integrate this function with respect to x here. Let I, that is the integral, e raised to x into log of e to the power sin of e to the power x upon tan e to the power x with respect to x. Now here we substitute the function whose derivative in the multiple of dx. Okay, here it is a e raised to x log of sin e raised to x, both are the multiple, and 1 by tan e to the power x is also multiple in the dx. Here e to the power x is multiple in the dx. Put e to the power x is equal to t. Okay, see carefully. If you put e to the power x is equal to t, then we get e to the power x dx, it is a dt, and here e to the power x is equal to t, then here it is a sin t, but it is a log of sin t. Again it is a composite function, it is not in a standard form. If we substitute e to the power x, there is again composite form. Okay, now when we use substitution, we get the standard integral. So here we put, see, observe carefully, it is a log of sine, differentiate log of sine. Okay, log of sine, 1 by sine into derivative of sine, differentiate log of sine, it is log of sine 1 by sine into derivative of sine, that is the cos, that means cot, and cot means 1 by tan. Here we put the log of sine e raised to x is equal to t. Okay, then we get the derivative of the function multiple with dx. See carefully here, put log of sine e raised to x is equal to t. Now differentiate log of sine, differentiate with respect to x, therefore you can write 1 by sine e to the power x into derivative of sine e to the power x, it is a derivative of log of, and then dt by dx. Now again it is 1 by sine e to the power x into cos e to the power x into e to the power x is equal to dt by dx. And see carefully, cos x upon sin x, it is a cot x, so we can write here e to the power x, it is e to the power x into cot x, that means e to the power x upon tan x, that is tan e to the power x dx is equal to dt. Okay. Now by substitution log of sin e raised to x is equal to t, we get e raised to x upon tan e raised to x with multiple with dx, and therefore integrate. See carefully, here we put this integral of t dt, and integral of t, it is t square by 2 plus c, and last put the value of t. T, it is a log of sine e to the power x whole square upon 2 and plus c. It is the integral of this function. Okay, see carefully, we substitute this is a t, and e to the power x upon tan x e raised to x dx, it is a dt, and so it is, and it is a standard form. Integral of t, it is a t square by 2, put the value of t. Now second example, e to the power 2x plus 1 upon e to the power 2x minus 1. Okay. Now integrate this e to the power 2x minus 1 upon, sorry, plus 1 upon e to the power 2x minus 1 dx. Okay, here this example we solve by using substitution, but this example is also solved by using the integrals of the type. Here, see carefully, a into e raised to x plus b upon c into e raised to x plus d dx. Okay, here integral of this type function with respect to x. Here, see carefully, here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 1 and d is equal to minus 1, and solution of this type of the examples, it is a numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b into derivative of denominator. Okay. Numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b into derivative of denominator. That is, we adjust denominator and derivative of denominator in numerator. We adjust denominator and derivative of denominator in numerator. Okay, we solve this example by using this type. Okay, here we see this type after 2 or 3 lectures. Okay, now we solve this example by using substitution. Okay, here we solve also by using this type. Okay, now by using substitution, here there is a no derivative, okay, with multiple of dx. So here we adjust, divide numerator and denominator by e to the power x. Divide numerator and denominator. Divide numerator and denominator by e to the power x. Divide numerator and denominator by e to the power x. See carefully. Now here we observe, divide e to the power x. E to the power 2x upon e to the power x, it is e to the power x, and e to the power x 1 upon e to the power x, it is plus e to the power minus x. See carefully, it is divide e to the power x by numerator and denominator. E to the power 2x upon e to the power 2x, it is e to the power x, plus 1 upon e to the power x, it is e to the power minus x. Same here, e to the power 2x upon e to the power x, it is e to the power x minus e to the power minus x dx. And now we observe, it is derivative of denominator in numerator. This example solved by using corollary of the substitution function or directly substitute. Okay, here put e to the power x minus e to the power minus x is equal to t. Okay, then differentiate with respect to x, it is e to the power x, and here minus e to the power minus x, derivative of e to the power minus x into minus 1, so we can write here plus, is equal to dt by dx, and then it is e to the power x plus e to the power minus x dx is equal to dt, and then integral 1 by t dt, and then 1 by t, it is a log t plus c, and then it is put the value of log, so it is to put the value of t, it is e to the power x minus e to the power minus x plus c. Okay, see carefully this, here it is in the form of, see carefully, it is f dash of x upon f of x, and the answer is log of f of x plus c. Okay, so we can directly write f dash of x upon f of x, it is log of f of x. Okay, here we use substitution method. See carefully, here we adjust, divide numerator and denominator by e to the power x. We solve this example by using the type a into e to the power x plus b upon c into e to the power x plus d dx. Okay, here solve by using this or this or this. Okay, here now you see next example. Now next example is sin to the power 4x into cos cube x. Integrate this function with respect to x. Now let integral sin to the power 4x into cos cube x dx. Okay, here we substitute any one out of sin or cos because both are the composite form. Okay, here sin to the power 4 or cos to the power 4, both are in the composite form. Then here directly cannot see derivative in the multiple of dx, so we can write here, see carefully, sin to the power 4x into cos square x into cos x dx. See carefully, it is cos cube, can be written in the form. Here derivative of sin x in the multiple of dx. Derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. So we put sin x is equal to t. When we put sin x is equal to t, here t to the power 4 and here dt, but the cos x is remaining. And we substitute sin x is equal to t. So first convert cos square into sin. Okay, here see carefully, it is a sin to the power 4 as it is into 1 minus cos, it is 1 minus sin square cos square, and it is cos x dx as it is. And now we put sin x is equal to t. Put sin x is equal to t. See carefully this. Therefore cos x is equal to dt by dx. We can write cos x dx is equal to dt. Okay. Here cos sin x, derivative of sin x, it is cos x, and here dt by dx we can write it is. Now therefore integral is equal to t to the power 4 1 minus t square into dt, and then t to the power 4 minus t to the power 6 dt. Now t to the power 4 and t to the power 6 are in the subtraction, so we can directly integrate this. It is x to the power n and it is x to the power n. Therefore t to the power 5 upon 5 minus t to the power 7 upon 7 and plus c, x to the power n. Okay, and last answer t. What is the t? It is a sin. Sin to the power 5x upon 5 minus sin to the power 7x upon 7 and plus c. See carefully. Here we adjust this. Again here it is a composite form, but derivative cannot be directly given in the form of multiple of dx. So we can write cos cube x in terms of cos square x into cos x. Now cos x is a derivative of sin x, and which is multiple in the dx. Now next example. It is a 10th example. 1 upon 4x plus 5 into x to the power 11, x to the power minus 11. Okay. Now integrate this. Let it is integral 1 upon 4x plus 5 into x to the power minus 11 dx. Now we solve this function by using substitution, but here derivative cannot be given directly in the multiple of dx. So first we simplify this. Okay. Here it is the power minus 11. See carefully, 1 upon 4x plus 5 upon x to the power 11 dx. And now see carefully here, addition, it is a 4x to the power 11, 4x to the power 11 plus 5 and upon, 4x to the power 12 here, x to the power 11 and it is x to the power 1, it is a 12, and upon x to the power 11 we can write in the numerator dx. And now we can directly see the derivative of x to the power 12 in terms of the derivative of, it is x to the power 11. derivative of x to the power 12 in terms of derivative of x, it is x to the power 11. Derivative of x to the power 12, it is 12 into x to the power 11. We have only x to the power 11, so 12 can be written in the RHS. Okay, here. Now put. Here we substitute all denominator or only x to the power 12. Okay, we substitute this function with constant or without constant, there is no problem. Here we substitute with constant, it is 4 into x to the power 12 plus 5 is equal to t. Now differentiate 4 into 12 x to the power 11 and it is a 0, it is a dt by dx. And then last answer here 12 into 4, 48. Therefore we can write, see carefully, x to the power 11 dx is equal to 1 by 48 dt. See carefully this 48, and now integral. It is here x to the power 11 dx, x to the power 11 dx, it is 1 by 48 dt and it is t. 1 by t, 1 by 48 dt. 1 by 48 it is a constant. 1 by t, integral of 1 by t, it is a log t plus c, and then last answer 1 by 48 log of 4 x to the power 12 plus 5, it is the value of t. Okay, here we substitute with constant or without constant. Without constant put केलं here 12 x to the power 12, and then without constant. Okay, here we put x to the power 12 is equal to t, then 12 x to the power 11 dt by dx, then x to the power 11 dx is equal to 1 by 12 dt. And now integrate here, see carefully, x to the power 11 dx, it is 1 by 12, it is 1 upon 4t plus 5 1 by 12 dt. Okay, here see carefully this and integrate this. Okay, this integration, it is a log of 4t plus 5 upon 4. Okay, and here 1 by 12 as it is. Okay, and plus c, it is a 48 and replace t only x to the power 12. Okay, with substitution with constant or without constant. Okay, anyway. Now next example. Next 11 x to the power 9 into sec square x to the power 10. Okay, it is a very simple example. Let integral x to the power 9 into sec square x to the power 10 dx. Okay, sec square it is a standard integral. Okay, sec square it is a standard integral, but it is x to the power 10. Sec square x is a standard integral. Here it is a sec square x to the power 10. So we put x to the power 10 is equal to t. And now differentiate 10 into x to the power 9 dt by dx. And then x to the power 9 dx is equal to 1 by 10 dt. And therefore integral x to the power 9 dx, x to the power 9 dx, it is dt, and sec square t into 1 by 10 dt. And now 1 by 10 it is a constant. Integral of sec square t, it is a tan t plus c, and put the value of tan. 1 by 10 tan of x to the power 10 plus c. Okay? It is an integral. Now next 12th example. e to the power 3 log x into x to the power 4 plus 1 to the power minus 1. Okay. Now let integral e to the power 3 log x into x to the power 4 plus 1 to the power minus 1 with respect to x. Okay, here in the multiple of dx there is no derivative. Okay, now first we simplify this. Here 4 x to the power 4 plus 1 to the power minus 1. Okay, to the power constant. When to the power constant, we can use the formula x to the power n, but n is not equal to minus 1, but here it is a minus 1, so we can write it is in the denominator. We simplify this, e to the power 3 log x, see carefully, upon x to the power 4 plus 1, here x to the power 4 to the x to the power 4 plus 1 to the power minus 1, we can write this. Okay, and also here we simplify this, it is a 3 log x, we can write here. Okay, and again e to the power log x cube, it is a x cube upon x to the power 4 plus 1, and now it is a simple example, here x to the power 4 and it is x to the power 3, derivative of x to the power 4 in terms of x cube. Okay, here derivative of x to the power 4, it is 4x cube. Okay, we have only x cube, so 4 we can write in the RHS. Therefore put it is x to the power 4 is equal to t, or x to the power 4 plus 1 equal to t. Okay, with constant substitution or without constant. Then it is 4x cube is equal to dt by dx, and therefore x cube dx is equal to 1 by 4 dt. And now integral is equal to x cube dx, it is 1 by 4 and it is t, 1 by t 1 by 4 dt, and then last it is 1 by 4 log t plus c, and then put the value of t, it is 1 by 4 log of t, it is x square, x to the power 4 plus 1 and plus c, it is a last answer. Okay, see carefully all the problem.